The starter gets us underway here at El Trueno, and the favourite is driving the pace right from the go. Dragon Cleverness right behind. Then as the race moves on, it's Swords Spies. Twisted Tsunami in second position. Quirky down, getting moving, toe-to-toe with Spook Turkey. Trying to brush off Computer Captain. And then it's Dragon Cleverness. Spirit Spring leading. Twisted Tsunami in second. Quirky down is coming with a huge run. Just has a margin over Dragon Cleverness. Just behind it's Spook Turkey. Spirit Spring still in the lead. Swords Spies not feeling good where it is. A length away it's Twisted Tsunami pushing hard in front of Dragon Cleverness. A length behind it's Quirky down. Spook Turkey in 6th place. Splashed Silence in 11th place, followed by Acrobats Animals. Pounding down the course, it's Spirit Spring. Swords Spies on the out. A length away, it's Dragon Cleverness. Then Twisted Tsunami. 4 lengths away, it's Pixie's Dust. Quirky down. Next, Spirit Spring, still in first position. 3 lengths behind, it's Dragon Cleverness. Putting up a challenge to Twisted Tsunami. 4 lengths behind, it's Pixie's Dust. Splashed Silence, 11th position, engaging with Acrobats Animals. Still going, it's Swords Spies. Spirit Spring in 2nd spot. Dragon Cleverness in 3rd spot. Just behind, it's Twisted Tsunami. Swords Spies is the front runner. Spirit Spring in 2nd place. 4 lengths away, it's Dragon Cleverness. 1 length away, it's Twisted Tsunami. Pounding down the course, it's Swords Spies. Spirit Spring in 2nd position. 5 lengths away, it's Dragon Cleverness. As they race towards the line, it's Swords Spies. Spirit Spring wants the front. They're ready to go at El Trueno. High hopes for the favourite, Invisible Incident. Badger Blur, not in with much of a chance. And the favourite gets a magnificent start. Pickled Ink going with them. Continuing around the track, it's Invisible Incident. Badger Blur picks up the bit. Natural Fever in 3rd spot. Next, it's Barcode Giggle. Champions Art in 5th. Nautical Vixen pushing hard. Invisible Incident dictating the pace. Badger Blur gaining momentum and flying through. 3 lengths away, it's Archaic Act from Pickled Ink. A length behind, it's Champions Art. Closely followed by Iron Grip. Prince Proverb still in the last spot. The race continues with Badger Blur. Invisible Incident in 2nd spot. 4 lengths away, it's Archaic Act. 2 lengths behind, it's Pickled Ink. On their back is Champions Art. 2 lengths away, it's Natural Fever. And then it's Iron Brick. 1100 a race, it's Badger Blur. Invisible Incident in 2nd place. 4 lengths behind, it's Archaic Act. Just behind, it's Pickled Ink. Has paced away clearly from Champions Art. Badger Blur controlling the race. Invisible Incident wants the front. 5 lengths behind, it's Archaic Act, followed by Pickled Ink, well ahead of Champions Art. Badger Blur setting the pace. Invisible Incident in 2nd from Archaic Act. 1 length behind, it's Pickled Ink. 500 out, and it's Badger Blur. Invisible Incident in second spot, followed by Arcade Act. 1 length away, it's Pickled Heat. Badger Blur out in front. Invisible Incident in second place has cleared out from Arcade Act. As they straighten for home, it's Badger Blur. Invisible Incident in second position. They're away. Aliens apron onto a magnificent start. Bookies are nervous. Right there is absolute sight. Aliens apron once again in the front spot. Then Lazy Despair. Dubious Basket in fourth. Just ahead of Famous Citadel. By Bell's Block in 11th spot. Hollow Amnesia is fighting. Still going, it's Lazy Despair. Dubious Basket moving up the field. A length away, it's Beetle Buddy. He passed it next, putting in a strong bid with Assassin's Abacus. Lazy Despair out in front. Alien's Apron pushing past horses. Absolute Sight in third place. Dubious Basket in fifth spot. By Bell's Block in 12th position. Lazy Despair still in first place. He passed it, stretching down. A length behind, it's Absolute Sight. Next, it's Alien's Apron. 3 lengths behind, it's Dubious Basket from Beetle Buddy. Lazy Despair leading. Absolute Sight in second position, just in front of. He passed it. A length away, it's Alien's Apron. Dubious Basket in fifth place. On their back is Beetle Buddy. Continuing around the track, it's Lazy Despair. Peak past it, wants the front, toe-to-toe with Alien's Apron. With 500 metres to go, it's Lazy Despair. Absolute Sight in second. Next, it's Peak past it, just ahead of Alien's Apron. The race continues with Lazy Despair. Alien's Apron in fourth place. Lazy Despair continuing to show the way. Alien's Apron travelling off the fence, away with a huge margin from Beetle Buddy. They're off. Truffle Touch is off to a fabulous start. Hunters would be happy with themselves early. Squeamish Sponge doing well on the inside. 1800 metres remaining and it's Squeamish Sponge. And then it's Matching Music. Neck and neck with Secretary's Sniffle. Grappling with Marmalade Blueprint. 2 lengths behind, it's Truffle Touch. Moonlight Bobbin at the front. Squeamish Sponge in second. A length behind, it's Different Sight. Just behind, it's Truffle Touch. Moonlight Bobbin maintaining the lead. Squeamish Sponge in second spot. behind, it's Different Sight. Then Truffle Touch. 2 lengths away, it's Marmalade Blueprint. Moonlight Bobbin leading the charge. Squeamish Sponge wants the front. A length away, it's Truffle Touch. 5 lengths behind, it's Marmalade Blueprint. Continuing around the track, it's Moonlight Bobbin. Squeamish Sponge in second spot, just in front of Different Sight, being overwhelmed by Truffle Touch. Moonlight Bobbin leading the charge. Squeamish Sponge in second place. Different Sight in third. 4 lengths behind, it's Truffle Touch. They're gearing up for the finish. Truffle Touch in fourth has raced away with a clear lead from Secretary Stipple. At the top of the straight, it's Truffle Touch.